Okay, here's the third part of my build, and we about got her done now. So I built some, or printed some TPU feet and put them on there. And I got myself a bunch of heat set inserts in here. Now let's flip this over. And I solved my 3.3 volt power problem. So what I did is I put a little Wago in here, and I tied the power to all three of these volt amp meters together and ran them off the 5 volt rail. And I also added, and that still wasn't enough amperage draw to bring my 11.7 up to 12 volts. If you don't remember, or if you didn't watch, this guy in here won't give 12 volts until it senses the motherboard. It's looking for a 5 volt draw. So I was only getting 11.7 volts out of it. So I put a little bit of a load on it. So 1, 2, 3, voltage sources there. And then this little 5 volt fan that I got off my Raspberry Pi, that was enough draw, so now it pulls 12 volts. I got the back bolted on. I got these nice black, oh, you can't even see it. I got nice black screws. You can't see them. So let's put her together and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, got her all screwed in. Got her plugged in the back. So I printed a handle for the lid, and they also have a jig so you can drill the holes in it, but I decided I'd rather have the shelf space up there than the carry space, because it's not like I'm going to be carrying this around in a lot of places. So let's hit the power. And so here's what I was saying about those meters. So they're going to stay lit all the time now, even when they're powered off. And if I power them on, then they're going to start showing voltage. Uh-oh, I lost my 3.3. Something got unscrewed. Oh, we'll fix that. We'll fix that in a minute. And then up here I got my variable. Got my USB down there. Got my nose here. Yellow nose. Okay, power on. I've got that set to 8.4 volts because my Hillbilly cell phone charger takes 8.4 volts. We'll plug that in, and we're drawing, look at that, it's just over 3/4 of an amp. Charging her up. So there we go. My first big bench power supply build. Probably my last. I don't imagine I'm going to do this again. She's a good looking thing. And again, I'll put the link to the file from Bambu. One last thing, down here there's a hole for an LED, but as far as I'm concerned, this thing's putting out enough light to let you know whether it's on or not. We're going to leave it like that. All right, thanks for watching.